Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Ashley and I am a mom of 4, and this is actually my very first video on this channel. And as you probably saw, our channel name is Case Academy, Cultivating a Love for Learning. And the reason behind that is because a lot of this channel will be focused on homeschool. We are currently getting ready to start our new homeschool year, our first homeschool year. 2020-2021, and this is actually something that we have been planning to do for a while with our younger daughters. However, our oldest daughter, we have just decided to homeschool, and so this is all new for us. We have not homeschooled before. We've been homeschooling over the summer, but our official first day of school will be July 1st, and so this page has actually, or channel has actually been a long time coming because I've been very hesitant to start a channel, even though a lot of people have been encouraging me to start one just because of our journey of having triplets, and we also have a daughter with special needs, etc. And so as you may know, or as you can imagine, having a child with special needs and having triplets as well as an older daughter can be very challenging. And so I have been hesitant to start the channel, to say the least. But I figured today is the day because we are starting a new journey of homeschool, and that is something I would love to document. And not only that, I feel as though at this point in life, it is more feasible for me to be able to do something like this just because the kids are a little bit older and I can tell them, okay, go hide in your room, play a game, I'll be back. So, it's easier. We're gonna cover a lot more on this channel. A lot of it will be our homeschool journey, which, when we were researching homeschool, me watching other YouTubers, other homeschooling moms, other curriculum reviews, etc., were so helpful to me in making our decisions for homeschool. And so we kind of want to pay that forward, not just with homeschool, but with life in general, because we know life can be hard, and we have some experience under our belt now. And so we feel as though paying that forward and being an inspiration and encouragement, or just a resource for help, for someone that may have a similar dynamic to us, is more than enough. And we feel as though the least that we can do is pay that forward. And so that's the main reason why we created the channel. Like I said, we have 4 girls. One, our oldest, is 7 years old. She was in public school. We have now decided to homeschool her, so she will be going into her 2nd grade year homeschooled. And then we have 5-year-old triplets, and so they have never been to school. 2 of them have never been to school. I've been teaching them at home, and in July we will start their first year, which will be kindergarten. Like I mentioned before, we have a daughter with special needs. That is actually going to be another part of this channel, just our journey with Alyssa, which is our youngest daughter and triplet, who has autism. And so she's just a bundle of joy. She is a blessing to us. She brings us joy every single day, and we know that she will bring you joy. And so we're going to share parts of her journey with you guys as well. And so everything from homeschool to autism to life to faith, and day-to-day life, we're going to share that with you guys on this channel. And so I hope you hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so that you know when we post new content. And leave me a comment down below if there's anything specific that you want to hear about. I will be sharing more of our triplet journey. I may have mentioned earlier that they were born very prematurely, and so that's another story that we'd love to share with you guys. And so if there's anything in particular that you guys want to hear, please let us know. Some upcoming videos will include our homeschool room tour, which we're currently in the process of finishing up. I'm actually in our homeschool room right now. You can see behind me. And some other videos will include homeschool curriculum. once I receive it all for each grade level, which would be second grade and kindergarten. And then just day-to-day life, Alyssa's journey with special needs, and then our faith. And so I think that's about it for our first video, but I just wanted to share with you guys why we wanted to create this channel in the first place and what kind of content you will be seeing here. So hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you know when we post new content, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.